Pretty bird, your puddle is ready. Do you want to go play in the water? Are you coming? Come on. Pretty bird. Well, are you coming or what? You coming or what? Mama's going to go play. I'm going to go play. You coming? Are you coming? What are you doing? Look, your water is back. Are you nervous because the tree is dripping? Come on. Because of the sprinklers, like the tree is really low right here, as you guys can see. There's still water dripping down. I don't know if you guys can see that. So Pretty Bird's still nervous. Again, she'll sit right in the shower and take a shower, but, you know, a couple of drops from the sky or from a tree, and she's like, help! Pretty Bird, are you coming? Come on. Let's go, Pretty. Ooh! Are you in the water? Play, come on! What are you doing? The sprinklers could get you. I made sure. They don't reach anymore. Jeez, mosquitoes already got me. We've been outside for like 15 minutes and my legs have already been eaten up. And I'm wearing mosquito deterrent, whatever it's called. What are you doing? Come on. Pretty bird. Come on. Oh, there she goes. Hi. Hi, BBs. Hi, BBs. Hi. You ready to play? Ooh, play. Are you in the water? Are you gonna play? What are you doing? She's like, I want my clean bowl. It's not scary where I can see the ground. Nom. There you go. Good girl. Yay, Pretty Bird. There you go. Come on. Pretty. Pretty. Come on, beautiful. You're okay. Oh, noms. Smells nice, doesn't it? Play. Yeah. You gonna take a bath? Ah, Pretty Bird's blowing her nose. You gonna get it? Uh-oh. It's okay, Pretty Bird. It's okay. That's the HOA yard service, honey. Those are the people that keep the grass nice and short for you. Fun fact, geese actually like locations like this where the grass is not overgrown. They like grass that is like shorter, not all the way short, but shorter, and they really like fresh grass, like what do you call them? Sproutlings? New grass? You gonna play? Pretty bird. Are you gonna play? Don't worry about the truck, you're okay. You gonna take a bath? Are you gonna take a bath? She's like, but there's all these noises. Whee! You okay? Hey, babies. You're okay. See that? Pretty bird can use her wings. Are you okay, babies? It's okay. You don't have to be scared. Now they're all gone. All gone. Oh, pretty bird lost a feather. There goes another one. Hey, pretty bird, guess what? George is molting too. Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for Bob to respond. Yes, I am. Yeah. See, we sent George a present. Yes, we did. We sent Pet Goose George a present. We're waiting to hear if they got it. Yeah. You know, with the sun shining into your eyes, you can actually see that Pretty Bird has light brown eyes. I don't know if you guys are able to see this on the camera, but when the sun hits her eyes directly, you can see like the exact like color of her eyes and the pupil in the middle. And it's actually gorgeous. She has gorgeous eyes. Anyways, I'm gonna stop the video here so we don't lose it due to like storage issues. And I'm going to start another video, and hopefully Pretty Bird will have some fun in the water. She seems kind of nervous today. Anyways, we'll see you in a little bit. Pretty Bird, say bye-bye. Say bye, guys.